I forgot to put on my mask, so why was shaking like this? Oh my god! Oh no, it's just my ass. Ah! Hey, I'm Ray. Can you guess where we're going? So I'm currently backpacking through South America, and after one amazing month in Buenos Aires, I decided it was time for a bit of nature. Because, ciao, the city is cute and all, but not too much. So, being the extremist that I am, a 2-hour flight to the north of Argentina, bordering Brazil, to go see some jungles and waterfalls felt like the perfect thing to do. I flew out from the tiny national airport in Buenos Aires by the coast, and the view, I was literally mind blown. So, in true backpacker fashion, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I actually met a girl online before even getting to know her first name. Now, I don't recommend, risk and reward. We booked a trip together. Yes, we did that. Everybody say hi to Anna. She's actually the very first girl that I met when I arrived in Buenos Aires. So, like, that's my day one. All right, it's time to fly out and get into it. Day one at Iguazú. I hope you enjoy this chaotic vlog with no aesthetic, child. Here we are. We arrived. It's time to get out. Guys, I got through security with my pocket knife. Like, and it's a big one. Like, I mean, it's not huge, but crazy. We have arrived. Disgusting. Close to the city. Much cheaper that way. Thank you, ciao. Oh, you good? We're going to the bus now. Let's go. That was really good. €15 for a return 30-minute journey. Not bad. Yeah. Not the rain. Ugh. So dark. But the air feels nicer. Ah! We have it. Imagine me not taking a taxi. Wow. Nice. So rainy. We have arrived. Hello.
Se me fue el coso.
Oh, security.
This is good.
Hey, this is luxury, low key. Like, I came from a hostel that had no fucking doors, so. And that's our place. Smells nice. And this is our bathroom. A bit less luxury, but you know, it's giving ensuite. It's giving privado. Pretty big.
A blanket inside if you have.
I will take that.
Perfect.
But it's honestly really like the weather is very humid.
Yeah.
My bed.
You're allowed to.
How do we feel, Anna? Are we happy?
I'm happy.
It's
It's a small pool, but we have. You can
security.
watch the pool from your bed.
Yeah, woo! Right, I had to hop back in here to give the hostel an actual shout out. Toucan, 10 out of 10. It's a small hostel ran by a family, and I honestly couldn't recommend it anymore. It was such a nice day. They made us feel so, so welcome. Like, imagine you arriving at a hostel and they literally invite you to share a meal with them. Like, look at this shit. Oh, too nice. The owners, Maru and Edu, were so, so kind. The hostel itself was super clean, nice vibe. Oh, just 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Ooh, should we play like table tennis? That's stunning. Go on. Give it to me. Give me the racket. Hola. We're done. Time to decide where to eat. Waste no time. Yes, girl. On a mission for food. Wait, is this a time lapse? No. But the streets are so empty. Like, what? Mama. I can hear life down here. So that come to life. The floors are so slippy, it's not even funny. Like, I almost took my life 2 seconds ago. Trying to give me more stores on this side, you know, I'm hungry.
Tengo hambre. Estoy harta de verle la cara a todito aquí. ¡Tengo hambre!
Oh, there's stuff up there. Restaurante. Oh, it says Iguazú up there. Could this be the place where we eat tonight? Wow. Jazzy. Jazzy. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, it looks fine. It's giving Spain low-key. You know, happy it was free? Yeah. Yep. Anyway, the food has arrived. Mashed potato with Milanesa Napolitana. Is the mash good?
Yeah. Should I taste like?
Yeah, you can share.
Oh, you're not getting the. You're getting. I'm not getting your face.
But the mash is good though. Pretty full. What do we think of the Milanesa out of 10?
Full out of 10. 7.
7. That's good. I have to say, I'm gonna give it a solid, 7 as well. 7 or 8.
Yeah.
It was my first Milanesa and it was really good. Like, no, it's my second, but I never had a chicken one. And it had tomato on it and cheese, which I was very impressed. Like, honestly, it tastes like a really bougie chicken nugget. So, no, like, yeah. Taping is so hard. Okay, tomorrow. What time? Lord.
Your legs don't work like they used to before.
Anyway, we need to figure out the bus situation to the hostel or to the falls tomorrow, but we can't really seem to understand the schedules of these buses. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a taxi. We're just gonna take a taxi to the falls, and then on the way back, instead of going back home or back here to the hostel, we'll have to figure out the bus system. Yeah, we'll have to figure out the bus system, and we'll just see how we get on. Like, we'll be fine. Yeah, no, we'll be fine. Like, yeah, we'll be fine. Denial. Anyways, that's a wrap for day 1. It's time for me to now de-dress myself. De-dress, undress, shower, and wash these feet. Oh my god, it smells so bad.
Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.
In a bad way.